oh, before I take you for a drive, let's check out the engine. Really nice and clean. So under the hood, the big boy 5-liter V8. Alright, I'm gonna take the brother for a little spin, let him hop in. And to give you a rough idea, these cars, they are pretty heavy, but specs wise, from the factory, this one is 467 horsepower, and torque is 389. Ooh, so okay. It's, you know, pretty good power. Yeah. So yeah, let's go ahead and take it for a spin. Nice. First, I'll drive in eco mode, just, you know, go around. You sound like a normal Lexus, it's so quiet. And then we'll put in sport and it sounds like a different car altogether. Alright, so right now we're just in eco mode for drive, and TVD is on standard. So it sounds pretty quiet, right? Yep. I mean, sounds like a Lexus, sounds like any other car. So in this eco mode, what it does is it limits your power. It doesn't tell what RPM you're at. It pretty much, when you step on the gas pedal, it's not as sensitive, I guess. Also, the AC doesn't blow as cold. You know, everything's pretty much muted, right? It's trying to save gas, trying to save battery, whatever, right? Good for daily driving. Yeah, I mean, honestly, this is the mode I drive around in. You can hear a little bit of that V8, but not, you know, not too crazy. So again, all eco mode, and then later whenever we get to you know, a nice little straightaway, which honestly I have pushed it a little bit but not too much, because with this revving up so high, I need a lot of room to actually stretch his legs, and I sit in traffic every day, I-35, so not much of a chance. But yeah, so this is all still eco mode. I would say compared to a normal Lexus, you know, obviously suspension is going to be a little bit stiffer, just because, you know, at the end of the day, it's a sporty car. But I don't know, what do you think so far? It's good. Yeah, it's a nice cockpit, very clean, very, I like the feels like this is a sports car for sure. Hands down is a sports car. You see all of that features and everything, but nice quality materials too from Lexus, you know. Yeah, has the Lexus touch. And these RCFs, when you buy them brand new, they are priced around the 60-something thousand price range. This one, this exact specific one, because of the performance package with the carbon bits and the TVD, is priced at 80,000. So they are, you know, pretty up there in terms of price. You also have the track edition. If you want the Fuji Speedway track edition, which is the most hardcore version, they go for about 100,000. You know, similar power, it's just comes with a wing, you know, more stiff suspension and all that. So I don't know, it's a very nice car, a very nice spot to be in. Alright, so now I'm just gonna reach down here. I'm gonna put TVD to track, switch it to S plus. So this is pretty much the most hardcore mode. It's track mode, sport plus mode. The goal is towards that direction. Hopefully we have a little bit more room to do some pulls. Alright, so we're just right beside the cop, so I don't want to go too crazy yet, but ready? Sounds good. It's a stock exhaust, right? Nice. Yeah, you can feel the pull. I like the V8 pull. It's nice. It sounds very clean. Very clean. I mean, some people compare it to like a Mustang or a Camaro, but honestly, no. It sounds very clean and like, yeah, it just sounds clean. I don't even know how to describe it. It doesn't sound like obnoxious. Didn't sound like it just sounds clean. Clean, yeah. Clean so, and fast. I'm actually gonna put it now in manual mode, which is pedal shifters, because I haven't actually tried that. See, it just goes, you know? You feel the pull. Wow. It's like a different beast, right? From so quiet and refined to the beast is awakened. Alright, so we're gonna flip around, do a little pull. This time, main difference is in manual mode, pedal shift mode.
pull is fast.
It's hard to hear it, but the downshifts are so crisp. It's just
very clean. Very clean.
You hear that?
So
so quick and just
very aggressively. It's aggressive yet clean.
It's just like
very
the
clean.
beast is awakened.
Yeah. So how would you? Yeah. Wow. Feel the torque. It's clean. Would you say so? This is like stock engine, everything from the factory. They didn't tune it, didn't change anything after. Okay. So you get a clean slate. Start off with a clean slate. Wow.
I usually like to buy cars stock or as close to stock as possible. This one's 100% stock. Never been
it sounds
modified.
very clean from the factory. You feel the power. It's wow.
It's like ready to go.
Yep.
When you step on the gas, it's pretty vicious.
Yeah. Yeah, when you kind of floor on the pedal, you kind of hear. It sounds a little bit like those Dodge Chargers. I guess because they're V8.
I don't know.
But it sounds a little cleaner than that, and it doesn't sound so coarse.
And it's a little higher pitch.
Yeah.
Right? Because it revs up so high, which most American cars don't do that.
Yep.
Yeah, this is the first time I'm doing an actual pull. I don't know why I've been waiting. I've just been saving gas, driving in eco mode the whole time. Just waiting for, you know, a reason to kind of do some nice pulls on it.
Today was the right day.
Yeah. So right after this hum, we have a little bit of space. We'll do one last pull. Probably gonna be from like a first gear or second gear to like, you know, third, fourth. Ready?
Wow.
It's pretty nice.
Clean, fun.
Oh, so aggressive. You heard that?
Yep. The downshift sounds very aggressive.
Third to second.
I really wonder, like, once you switch to like aftermarket exhaust, it sounds like almost sounds like the engine's so loud, but like the exhaust in the back so quiet.
Okay, so back to eco mode, back to standard. Just hear this. Okay, I'm gonna put back to full drive mode. So full eco mode. That's
like
crazy.
Family friendly.
This is like night and day.
Yeah.
This is full eco mode. Drive mode, TVD, everything is back to eco and standard. No more sport pedal shifters. So we just got back from a little test drive. What is your first impressions?
Clean. Sounds very clean. Definitely didn't disappoint. It's a Lexus after all. So yeah, very clean.
It feels like two different cars. Like you want to drive in eco, it's just like any other Lexus, and then you want to awaken it and drive in, you know, beast mode. This thing rips. Sure, it's a heavy car. It's close to 4,000 pounds, but this thing pulls.
Yeah. Very clean. I mean, it's a fun. This is definitely like a fun daily.
Yeah.
I would say it's kind of almost like a sleeper car for people who don't really know.
That's true. If you don't see the hood van, right, you don't pay attention.
You just think, oh, it's a family car, and then you suddenly switch it to throw it in sport mode, and you just.
Besides the big brakes and the vent, if you look on the back, so let's step a little further back. Look at the back end of the car. You can tell it's a F when there's 4 exhausts, 4 tips. The normal one doesn't come with 4 tips. And then also you see on the rear bumper is a little wider right here. Yeah, the normal Lexus, other models like the RC350 don't have all that too. So, yeah. And I wanted the red specifically. I think this color is gorgeous. Yeah. Alright, so we just made it back home. Brother approves of the new Lexus RCF. First time I'm doing pulls too, so it sounded great. Downshifts, upshifts, everything is awesome. Lived up to the hype. Before I bought this car, I never driven it. And I did a test drive, but honestly my wife was with me, so I did the test drive in eco mode only. So I didn't really feel the full potential of this car. But hope you guys like it. More RCF videos to come. Leave a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new to the channel. Thank you so much, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.